Did you know the most powerful ruler in Chinese history was a woman who murdered her way to the throne? Wu Zetian started as a 14-year-old concubine to Emperor Taizong, but when he died, she did something shocking. She seduced his son, the new Emperor Gaozong. Wu was ruthless. She built a secret police force to spy on everyone. When the current empress stood in her way, Wu framed her for treason and forced her to kill herself. One by one, she eliminated princes, ministers, and generals who opposed her. In 690, Wu did the unthinkable. She declared herself emperor, not empress. She created her own Zhou dynasty and even invented new Chinese characters to show her divine power. No woman had ever claimed the male title of emperor before. For 15 years, Wu ruled with an iron fist. She expanded the empire and promoted talented people, regardless of their background. But cross her, and you disappeared. She remains China's most capable ruler and its most feared. Wu Zetian proved that in the Game of Thrones, the most dangerous player might be the one nobody expects.